We had Facebook Reels before Facebook gave us stories. Reels are still the best way to get in front of a new audience. TikTok and Facebook stories is more of a personal, intimate thing that you do with your existing audience. It's going to be exposed to your friends and followers, and it's going to be really wonderful positioning at the top of your feed. Facebook seems to emphasize stories. I wouldn't expect too much more reach into your page than you normally get. But Facebook stories are fantastic. And being something that's a little bit more personal to allow your friends and followers to get a little behind the scenes. Get personal with it. Don't get too professional. The more professional stuff you want to leave on your feed. Stories delete after 24 hours. People don't expect these to be polished. They are to be a certain dimension, and you know the software will help you with this to some degree. If you take it with your phone, do it in a vertical mode, and you should work fine. That's it. Pretty simple. Facebook stories can be done with images, videos. I'm going to show you both ways of doing it. Let's look at an example first with a photo. With images, you're allowed to get a little bit more flexible. You can use standard 1080 by 1080, and it works just as a story. Videos are very specific. You really need to have the vertical format. Don't bother entering a message because stories don't support text. All you need to do is just grab an image. Let me go grab one and I'll show you how. You can only have one image. If you add another one, it's going to literally remove stories checkbox because it doesn't work trying to have two. The normal rules don't apply to stories because they expire in 24 hours. It'll show any still image for like 4 seconds, and then it'll move on to other stories images. It's kind of stitches things together a little bit. If you upload videos of stories and images of stories, it just looks really cool at the top of the feed. You can kind of go nuts with it. There's a new switch that you're going to see on the stories with Facebook. Attached media is still there. The reason for this is if you switch the story off, then you're not attaching images. Therefore, stories is obviously going to disappear. Any first comments will disappear because you don't do that with stories. Once you have the stories on and the attached media on, it's going to work. It's going to go ahead and send this post, and it will create a story. Actually, you'll be able to preview it on the networks. Once you have the stories on and the media attached, it's going to work. Let's go ahead and I'll send this post. It will create a story. Actually, be able to preview this on the network. When the verification report comes up, we'll go and take a look and see how it's going to look on the network. Let's check out the page. You can click here to view the story and it's just going to show. However, they appear for 4 seconds and then they just move on to the next story. Let's go create a video now as a story. I'm going to turn on a couple of the Facebook profiles. I'm going to upload a random video. And once it uploads, it's going to give us a couple of options. As I mentioned before, there's a couple of things that I want to point out because they've changed the way they do Reels. This is going to say Reels only. Basically, any video that you upload to Facebook is going to go by default to Reels and your social media feed. If it's under 60 seconds, I believe is the cutoff, then it's going to go to Reels automatically. The only thing that you can do is force it to be Reels only. Facebook really wants more Reels out there. Not sure I understand the reason behind it, but if you only want to get it to a new audience to see and don't want to bore your main audience and followers and friends, then you can force it to go to Reels only. All right. You can't have stories and Reels together. You have to have one or the other. So that's why we have the switch next to Reels, next to the Reels. You'll see what happens when you click on Stories. If it's on Stories, you'll notice when you click on Reels, it's going to automatically turn off Stories. So it will be a tug of war, sort of. You can only have one or the other. Notice how it also removes the first comment because you cannot have those with Stories. Now that we have the video uploaded, this will appear as a square. This was taken on my phone. Trust me, it's a vertical format. One rule that they do have in Facebook, and I wouldn't want to violate it too often. If you have a video and an image that you've posted on your main feed and they don't allow you to add as a story also, Facebook really wants to keep stories fresh and not just repost previous stuff. Try to avoid that. It's against the term of use. So go ahead and post your story.